Once upon a time, there was a clever rabbit named Rini. Rini lived in a forest with many other animals. One day, a hungry fox saw Rini and wanted to eat her. Rini quickly thought of a plan to escape. She told the fox, "I know where you can find a lot of food." The fox, curious and greedy, followed Rini. Rini led the fox to a deep well and said, "Look inside." When the fox looked, Rini pushed him into the water. The fox fell into the water and couldn't get out. Rini hopped away happily, safe and sound. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for every new video. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video. Bye bye.